Namaste everyone. I'm sure every one of you is safe at their home and doing great. Tell me, in the morning, how many of you feel that you're carrying a load of bricks in your belly? You feel heaviness in your stomach. You feel lazy, drowsy, fatigued, tired, lethargy, not feeling like waking up in the morning and going to work. Most of us feel shy for talking about our stools, our toilet, the duration, frequency about it. But we forget that it's a part of our own body and we are only responsible for how it turns out. Yes, I'm talking about constipation. Constipation is a major condition or a symptom people are facing today. Constipation means less than 3 stools per week, and if you have less than 1 stool per week, that means you are chronically constipated. In Bollywood also a lot of movies are made on this topic like Toilet, Ek Prem Katha, Delhi Belly, Piku. The overuse and the underuse of toilet is always an issue. So whether you are constipated or you are having a loose motions, the body is affected. So why constipation occurs? What happens in the constipation when you are constipated? So physiologically in the body what happens, let me explain you. So you consume your food, you chew your food in your mouth. Through your food pipe, the food passes to your stomach and intestine. The food digests in the stomach and the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. And then the waste is passed to your large intestine and through it comes out. But sometimes the food remains in the stomach and intestine for a longer period of time, because of which the food starts fermenting, causing gastric issues, bloating, flatulence. During this, most of the water is also absorbed, turning the waste materials more dry and making it more difficult to pass through your body, and sometimes it is painful also. So this results in constipation. There are various other reasons of getting constipated. For example, poor sleeping habits, not sleeping on time or having a less sleep hours. Too much of chronic stress, hormonal imbalance, less water intake, poor fiber intake, less fiber in your diet. Traveling, sometimes change in the routine can also lead to constipation. Some medications also lead to constipation. So these are the various reasons apart from your physiological reason of getting constipated. So if you find any of these reasons, try to rectify that reason and overcome the constipation issues. I will give you simple lifestyle changes or simple tips to overcome the constipation issues. So the number 1 is water intake. Stay hydrated. Try to have 3 to 3.5 liters of water intake in the day. If you don't like plain water, you can have lemon water. Any fluids are fine. Lemon water, jeera water, sabja water, ajwain water, or you can have pudina or water, fruit infused water. You can have different varieties of this. But try to stay hydrated, because the colon needs to be hydrated. Large intestine needs to be hydrated so that it allows the easy passage of stools through your body. Number 2 is high fiber intake. If your diet is having a less fiber, it will create a problem because it can lead to constipation. Fiber actually binds your stools. It increases the bulk of your stools, provide roughage, and it helps to easily pass through your body. So you can include legumes, you can include whole grains, fruits, vegetable, apple, guavas, nuts, seeds. These are high in fiber and will really help you to improve your fiber content in the diet. But at the same time, try and avoid the high sugar foods, high refined foods and junk foods. Number 3 is sleep and stress. Have about 7 to 8 hours of sleep, good quality sleep, and also reduce your stress levels. For sleep, what is the right time to sleep and how sleep affects your body, you can check my another video also. I will share the link in description. How you need to modify your sleep and how sleep really affects your body. So have a good quality sleep. Reduce stress. I would not say avoid stress, because 99% of the people have stress. Short-term stress is good enough for the body, but long-term stress is going to be harmful. So try to reduce those stress levels through meditation, yoga, sitting in silence, doing reflection, incorporating a hobby, exercising. A lot of ways are there to reduce your stress levels. So these are also important parameters. Some homemade remedies, like you can take about 2 figs, anjeer, or 4 to 5 black raisins, soak overnight in a cup of water. In the morning on an empty stomach, try to consume this, chew this very well, and have a glass of lukewarm water over it. This will really help you to pass your stools smoothly, because it has a good fiber content, plus water will help to pass the stools easily. Another technique is you can have about 1 tablespoon of castor oil or 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut virgin oil. Have it at bedtime, and you will notice that in the morning it allows the easy passage of stools. So you can have this in the bedtime, sleep, and then in the morning you will be able to pass your stools easily. So this is also a great Indian technique which will really help you. Also, exercise. Exercise is the most important parameter for everything you want good in your entire body. Exercise for about 30 minutes in the day, because that improves your blood circulation, that improves your digestive functions, your digestive enzymes are released nicely, and it also helps you to prevent your constipation. So exercise, any form of exercise is fine, but that is mandatory to include in at least once a day. A body is like a machine. It needs to be well oiled in different parts to allow it to function properly. I hope you agree with that, right? Because a machine also needs to be oiled, otherwise you cannot let the machine work constantly for 10, 20 years, 30 years at a stretch without any maintenance. Yeah. So these are simple important tips which will really help you to reduce or relieve your constipation issues. Constipation is not a very big topic or very big subject, but it is also you should not turn your eyes blind over it, because this small symptom, this small condition can actually lead to long-term illness like cancer, diabetes, liver issues, kidney issues, and so many things. So if you are aware that you're constipated, if you're aware that something is wrong in your stomach, try to rectify it. Follow the simple lifestyle tips and it will really help you to relieve the constipation issues. Apart from this, there are certain yoga asanas which you follow regularly. If you follow regularly, there are 4 to 5 asanas if you follow regularly, will help you to avoid the constipation issues. So let's have a look on this. What are these asanas and how it affects and how it helps your body. Also, at the same time, try to sit in the toilet for about 10 to 15 minutes every day at the same time, in the morning preferably. This will train your mind, this will train your brain and adapt to the condition of passing the stool, because it will make the body understand that this is the time to pass the stool. Ideally, this habit should be developed in the childhood, but if it is not done, you can do it right now. So let's see what asanas are really helpful for relieving the constipation. asanas you can practice regularly, morning or evening, anytime it suits you. Okay, so follow these techniques. Let me know how it had helped you. If you have any questions related to this issue, please post in the comment box. Till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough, and sleep deep. Thank you so much.